Crack an egg into Vaseline. This unusual mix has an incredibly powerful effect and can save you a lot of money. Start with a small bowl and crack in a fresh egg. In this trick, the yolk is the key. It's full of vitamins and fats that nourish and repair. Add a little bit of the egg white too, as it has a light tightening and cleansing effect, making the mixture more effective. Next comes Vaseline. It deeply softens and locks in moisture. Add 1 spoonful to the egg, then take a lime, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2. Lime is rich in vitamin C and natural fruit acids, gently brightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. Mix everything well until smooth. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or neckline, focusing on dry areas, and massage gently into the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After rinsing, your skin will feel incredibly soft, deeply hydrated, and glowing. This simple home remedy can give you better results than many expensive creams from the store.